his arm, the more he's forward, the better it is for me to go here. So what I'm going to do now is just a simple arm drag. I'm going to pull his arm across. Okay, if you have long arms, maybe you can catch it here, but if you don't, you'll need now to put your leg across. So this is why I'm saying it's a bit risky. Okay, because you're allowing him to the side. But that's not a problem because you're going to finish him here. Okay, you should do it right. So this is our next drill. You're going to drag his arm and also you're going to bring your leg across so you can easily catch. And we're in the same position. This time, I want you to finish it. So you're going to expand your body, bridge into him, and you're going to curl. And if you squeeze hard enough, you make him collapse on his side. This is the best. Alright, because now he has very, very little things to do. And I walk to him. Okay, I walk to him to close the space with my chest. Okay? So we're here, he's keeping his elbows closed. If he wouldn't keep his elbow closed, let's say that, I could probably just do like this, but that's not realistic. So I'll drag, bring my leg out, get my grip. This arm has to stay in between our bodies. That's why I must be on my side. If I'm flat, if he gets his arm, the other side, just your arm. Yeah. And now I come. Okay? I'll do on that. So he's gonna sit here, I'm gonna grab his arms, pull arm across. Remember, thumb around the back of his neck. I want you to actually practice it like this because now you know each time it's in the right spot. Okay, and of course in sparring you're just gonna throw and catch. Okay, and the one I showed you here is to understand to make this grip tighter. Okay, sometimes you can just grip very tight directly. If he postures up, you can also use this to push him down. And now again you made a very strong grip, pull to your side, bridge into him, and walk to him. And if you want, you can also trap one of his legs. Make him very crunched, so he doesn't have any options to move to escape, okay? So let's start with pull, take your leg out, catch, fall to your side, make him collapse, walk to him, and bridge. I don't really trap his leg usually, but you can do it. I just don't do it. I focus more on the squeeze and the bridging into him. One last time. Okay? Let's do it. 3, 2, 1.